everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a ow that hurt. Sorry, my dog just jumped on me. A little unpacking. I am under the impression this is something for our wedding because I don't think I've ordered anything that is not for the wedding. Yep. This is not what I ordered. I ordered one of the bras that you can push up your boobs with the little strap. Well, there's two problems. Straps on wrong. I'm not wrong. Straps probably on wrong. Yep. Not tightening up anything up front. It's only tightening in the back. Second thing is I ordered it in skin color, tan. Does this look tan to you? Because it looks pink to me. So that is a issue. It was clarified as a projector. Not a bra, a projector. But I don't see anything else. Hold on. They sent two little packages with it. I'm absolutely positive that I did not order this from them. Okay, I ordered some projectors, but it's supposed to be a 4-pack projectors that I'm waiting on for my It's supposed to be a 42 inch. Doesn't look like a 42 inch. If you ask me, neither one of them. They're both the same size. That looks like a 38. I have a 40, so I was just gonna do a 42. That doesn't look like the right size. There's supposed to be 4 of them. I guess I ordered it from the same seller that I ordered the bra from, and both are incorrect. So be aware if you order something from the seller. I will link them down below. Just be careful because you may get it, but it may not be exactly what you pay for. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, you guys.